In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and troubleshoot unreconciled transactions in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to filter what matters, and what to consider when something doesn't match your bank records. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the left menu, go to Accounting and select Reconcile. This is the hub for matching what's in QuickBooks with what actually cleared at your bank. Reconciling regularly helps you spot errors early, keep your financial reports accurate, and avoid surprises at tax time. Next, choose the bank account you want to review. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're on the correct one for the month or period you're inspecting. Once selected, click Review or open a reconciliation report. The review view is great for working directly inside the Reconcile tool, while the reconciliation report gives you a clear summary of cleared versus uncleared activity for the chosen period. Now look specifically for transactions marked as uncleared or unreconciled. In QuickBooks, uncleared typically means the transaction hasn't posted at the bank yet, while unreconciled means it didn't get matched in a completed reconciliation. Pay attention to dates and amounts. Items lingering for several cycles can indicate a mistake, like a duplicate entry or a wrong date. Use the filters to narrow your search to unreconciled transactions. Filter by status to isolate uncleared or unreconciled items, and set a date range that matches your bank statement period. Filtering removes clutter so you can focus only on what needs attention. From here, investigate and correct discrepancies as needed. Compare each item's date, amount, and payee against your bank statement or online banking. If the amount is off by a small difference, check for data entry issues, like missing cents or swapped digits. If you see duplicates, determine which entry is correct based on the bank feed and remove or edit the extra one. Make sure each transaction is categorized to the right account, and confirm bank feed matches were accepted properly. If a transaction truly never happened, void or delete it as appropriate. If it did happen, but the details are wrong, edit it to reflect the bank's information. Document any changes so your audit trail stays clean and consistent. When you revisit the reconcile area or open the reconciliation report again, you should see fewer unreconciled items, confirming your fixes. Build a habit of reviewing these reports monthly and keep your source documents handy. With consistent practice, reconciliation becomes faster, clearer, and far less stressful.